The world sees a sink full of dishes and calls it a burden, but in the quiet of 5 a.m., I see the aftermath of a family fed, fueled, and loved. And that changes everything. There is a silent theology in the way you fold the blanket. You aren't just tidying a room. You are creating an envelope of safety for the people who dwell within it. Before the rush begins, before the demands of the world knock on your door, there is this moment, the sacred pause. Listen to the sound of the kettle. That low hum rising to a whistle isn't just noise, it's the overture of the day. In this space, we practice the art of mise en place, not just for cooking, but for living. When you align your environment, you align your spirit. Notice the texture of the warm ceramic mug in your hand. Feel the steam rising against your face. These sensory details ground you. They remind you that you are here, alive, and capable. Homemaking is often dismissed as repetitive. But look closer. It is a cycle of renewal. Just as the sun rises every morning without fail, your hands restore order to chaos. You are the architect of the family's mood. When you slice the fruit for breakfast, perhaps a blood orange revealing that stunning ruby interior, you are offering beauty. You are saying, without words, you are worth the effort of fresh things. It is easy to get lost in the laundry and the logistics, but remember this: the atmosphere of this home is your masterpiece. No one else can paint it with your specific brushstrokes of patience and grace. You are writing a love letter in sunlight and steam, a letter that your family may not read with their eyes, but they will read with their hearts every time they walk through the door and feel at peace. So, take a deep breath. Drink your tea while it is still hot. Stand in the patch of sunlight on the floorboards. You are doing holy work. If this resonated with your heart, follow for more moments of home and healing.